Welcome everyone to my channel. I am Arnaud Delapierre, and today we are going to talk about a topic that greatly fascinates many investors: Tesla. In a few years, Elon Musk's company has gone from being a mere electric car manufacturer to a technological icon, captivating the markets and ultimately dictating new trends. Its stock price has experienced ups and downs, but it remains a topic of interest for those who want to deepen their analysis. In this video, we will explore what makes this giant strong and ask ourselves if we should still bet on it in 2025. The Tesla brand was born from a vision to make electric mobility accessible and appealing. It is not just about selling vehicles, but establishing a new standard in the industry. The Model S, Model A, Model S, Model X, and Model Y have gradually reshaped the automotive landscape. The arrival of superchargers has simplified the adoption of electric cars, and the progress made on the autonomy has strengthened users' trust in this sector. Beyond motorists, Tesla has also introduced solar energy and battery storage. This diversified strategy attracts attention because it offers several possibilities for growth and innovation in the coming years. On the stock market front, Tesla has experienced a nice surge, followed by more turbulent periods when market expectations adjust. Some have made impressive gains, while others may have been unsettled by the volatility. Despite everything, Elon Musk's brand continues to make headlines and sparks passionate debates among analysts. Some see it as the future of the automobile, others fear an overvaluation. It is therefore essential to fully understand Tesla's strengths, its competitive position, and its medium-term outlook before investing money or increasing an existing position. Before going any further, I would like to tell you about a free tool that can really make a difference in your trading routine. The Notrade application, available on iOS and Android, sends precise and concise signals to help you spot stock market or crypto opportunities. Thanks to its clear interface and instant alerts, you do not miss any important information on your favorite assets. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, this app can allow you to keep an eye on the markets without spending hours on them. If you're looking for reliable support for your decision-making, consider trying it. Elon Musk, well known for his direct community and a typical personality, plays a major role in the growth of Tesla. His ambition has allowed him to break codes and inspire many other market players. Under his leadership, the company doesn't just manufacture vehicles. It establishes an ecosystem that ranges from autonomous driving to solar energy. This approach to development is often praised for its boldness, but considered risky by those who believe that the company wants to go too fast. Opinions remain divided, and that's what makes the title so interesting. The electric vehicle sector is evolving rapidly. Established manufacturers like Volkswagen or General Motors are accelerating the development of their zero-emission lineups. Chinese brands are also emerging with competitive offerings and many resources to expand internationally. In this context, Tesla continues to consolidate its reputation as an innovator, particularly thanks to the quality of its batteries and the efficiency of its engines. However, as I just mentioned, the competition is intensifying, and Tesla must maintain an edge to stay ahead. The question is no longer whether this market will grow, but rather how Tesla will manage to stand out from the game. The technology developed by Tesla stands out with a comprehensive approach to the automobile. The company designs its own chips for autonomous driving, continuously refines its software, and relies on a vertically integrated production structure. This internal synergy offers a certain responsiveness to unforeseen supply chain issues. Moreover, the manufacturer invests in research to make its batteries lighter, less expensive, and more environmentally friendly. This ongoing commitment to innovation is often highlighted to explain the company's appeal to investors, despite obviously the volatility that characterizes the stock. Tesla's success has driven many players to enter the high-end electric car segment. Mercedes, BMW, for example, already offer their zero-emission vehicles. American and Asian brands are not lagging behind. They seek to align themselves with Tesla or even surpass some of its technical performances. It is a market where technology advances by leaps and bounds, and where patents obviously play an important role. Even though Tesla remains a pioneer in many areas, no one is immune to an unexpected competitor or a sudden change in trend. Investing in Tesla is not without risks. Fluctuations in the stock price can be impressive, and Elon Musk's announcements on Twitter sometimes abruptly influence market sentiment. Some investors are wary of a valuation they consider too high. Moreover, dependence on raw materials for batteries remains a sensitive issue. If the supply or price of lithium were to cause a problem, profitability could suffer. Finally, the rise of new rival stocks complicates matters, it must be said. Therefore, it is necessary to stay informed and carefully weigh the advantages and limitations before to buy. Battery production remains a major challenge for Tesla. The company has embarked on building several gigafactories to secure its assembly lines and save on cost per kilowatt hour. This industrial approach aims to reduce the dependencies on external suppliers and increase its ability to meet demand. On a technological level, Tesla is interested in LFP batteries, lithium iron phosphate, as well as other compositions that could extend the lifespan of vehicles. This direction is crucial to support the company's growth and strengthen its status as an important player in the energy transition. Autonomous driving creates an exciting challenge for Tesla. The full self-driving program remains in development. Permanent. The ambition is to offer a car capable of handling the majority of situations on the road thanks to cameras and artificial intelligence, evolving. However, this area still raises regulatory and, of course, ethical questions. Media-reported incidents related to autopilot also fuel concerns, even if Tesla regularly highlights the improvements made. If the goal of driving without human intervention is achieved, the market could experience a rather radical transformation. This is a sensitive topic that nonetheless generates great interest among investors. Financially, Tesla shows an increasing level of revenue and seeks to improve its margins. The production cost remains high, let's say, although the increase in deliveries helps to absorb an expense loss. Part of the expenses, the company has often had to reinvest huge sums to build its factories and optimize its production lines. The quarterly results are closely watched. Of course, closely, because they influence shareholder confidence. There is also the question of long-term profits that can be discussed. Will the volume of vehicle sales and energy sales allow Tesla to maintain an upward trajectory? To consider Tesla's future in 2025, it is good to examine several scenarios. If the popularity of electric cars remains strong and the company manages to lower its costs, profitability could strengthen. Diversification in solar energy and storage is also likely to generate additional revenue, especially if the demand for these solutions continues to climb. On the other hand, increasingly structured competition or an unfavorable economic context could slow down Tesla in its objectives. No one has the absolute truth, but analyzing the available data can help make a perhaps slightly more informed decision. Before moving to the conclusion, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support our work. Every little gesture helps encourage the creation of quality financial content. If you have any questions or a point of view on Tesla, leave it in the comments. I will be happy to read your messages and feedback to exchange with you. I greatly appreciate the community that is being built around these videos, and your interactions help me improve the analysis of the proposed topics. Let us now move on to the final reflection on this investment. I think that Tesla is a stock that can be integrated into the portfolio. The stock has become one of the most followed thanks to a strategy based on electric mobility, renewable energy, and an ambitious vision of autonomous driving. There are always uncertainties, whether it is about the competition, the regulations, or even Tesla's ability to maintain a sustained pace of innovation, of course. However, many observers believe that the company has already changed the game in the sector. It's up to each person to form their own opinion and assess their own level of risk appetite. I'll see you soon for another video. Goodbye.